Have you ever wondered where homosexuality originates from? It's a question that has emerged as a central focus in the arenas of modern societal and scientific dialogue. As the world has spun on its axis, our viewpoints on this topic have evolved, mirroring the intricate dance between our growing scientific comprehension and the shifting attitudes within society. Our journey today is to review the latest findings and developments concerning the origin of homosexuality and its impact on our global community. We'll explore the complexity of this topic, looking at the intertwining threads of genetics, environment, and societal influences that shape our understanding. This exploration is not merely an academic exercise, it's a necessary part of creating a world that respects and recognizes the diverse tapestry of human sexual orientation. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare your minds to be enlightened. Join us as we delve into the fascinating research on the origin of homosexuality. One of the most discussed theories about the origin of homosexuality is the role of genetics. We've all heard the phrase nature versus nurture thrown around in debates about human behavior, and this rings true when discussing the origins of homosexuality as well. While the exact mechanisms remain elusive, scientific research has uncovered evidence pointing towards a genetic element in the determination of sexual orientation. Numerous studies have shown that homosexuality is more common in identical twins compared to fraternal twins or siblings, indicating a possible genetic link. Moreover, research on the human genome has identified several regions that might be associated with homosexuality. These regions, dubbed gay genes by some, don't necessarily determine sexual orientation outright, but may contribute to it in conjunction with other factors. However, it's crucial to remember that genetics is not destiny. Just as eye color or height are influenced by a combination of genes and environment, so too is sexual orientation. For instance, while certain genetic markers may increase the likelihood of homosexuality, they do not guarantee it. This brings us to the concept of epigenetics, changes in gene expression influenced by environmental factors. It's a fascinating field that adds another layer of complexity to our understanding of genetics and human behavior. Epigenetic factors could play a significant role in shaping sexual orientation, perhaps by influencing how certain genes linked to homosexuality are expressed. In essence, genetics is not a solitary actor on the stage of human sexuality. It's part of a complex interplay involving many factors, including hormones, prenatal environment, and life experiences. The genetic factor in homosexuality is like a key that fits into a lock. It might turn the bolt, but only if the other tumblers are aligned just right. In conclusion, while genetics undoubtedly plays a part in determining sexual orientation, it's just one piece of a much larger puzzle. We must consider it within the broader context of environmental and social factors. While genetics play a role, they are just one piece of the puzzle. While genetics play a part, environmental and social influences cannot be ignored. As we delve deeper into the origins of homosexuality, it becomes apparent that our life experiences and the social environments we navigate play a significant role in shaping our identities, including our sexual orientation. Childhood and adolescence are critical periods in our lives. They are the stages where we learn about ourselves, our identities, and where we fit into the world around us. During these formative years, experiences, both positive and negative, can have a profound impact on our emotional and psychological development. Consider, for instance, the impact of discrimination or harassment based on perceived sexual orientation. A child who is bullied or ostracized because of their perceived sexual orientation may internalize these negative experiences, which can influence their self-perception and self-esteem. Over time, these experiences can affect how they understand and express their sexuality. Conversely, a supportive and understanding environment can foster a healthy exploration of one's identity. An adolescent who feels accepted and safe expressing their feelings and attractions, regardless of whether these align with societal norms, may develop a more secure sense of self and a healthier relationship with their sexuality. But let's not forget the broader social context. Societal norms, cultural practices, and even legislation play a significant role in shaping our experiences and perceptions of sexuality. In societies where homosexuality is stigmatized or criminalized, individuals who identify as homosexual may face significant stress or trauma, which can influence their self-perception and expression of their sexuality. On the flip side, in societies where homosexuality is accepted and protected under law, individuals may feel more comfortable exploring and expressing their sexual orientation without fear of reprisal or discrimination. In conclusion, while genetics may lay the groundwork, It's our life experiences and the social environment we navigate that truly shape our sexual identities. Our experiences and social environments significantly shape our identities, including our sexual orientation. It's a complex interplay of nature and nurture, and understanding this can help foster a more inclusive and accepting society. Societal perspectives on homosexuality have undergone significant changes over the decades. A myriad of factors, including culture, religion, and politics, have played a role in shaping these perspectives. In some cultures and communities, homosexuality is accepted, even celebrated, while in others it's met with discrimination and rejection. Religion, too, has played a significant role in shaping societal attitudes towards homosexuality, with differing views across various faiths. Politics also come into play, with legislative changes often reflecting and influencing societal attitudes. But change is afoot. As increasing awareness and education about homosexuality permeate society, we see shifts towards broader acceptance. Research underscores the importance of these educational initiatives in fostering understanding and acceptance of homosexuality. Moreover, legislative changes that protect the rights of sexual minorities have proven instrumental in driving positive shifts in societal attitudes. As societies evolve, so do their attitudes towards homosexuality. Understanding the origin of homosexuality is a complex task, involving both genetic and environmental influences. A review of recent research points to potential genetic factors that may shape an individual's sexual orientation. Yet, it's equally important to consider the broader context of environmental and societal factors, such as childhood experiences and exposure to discrimination or harassment. We've also explored how societal perspectives on homosexuality have significantly shifted over time, influenced by elements like culture, religion, and politics. While acceptance varies across cultures and communities, research underscores the positive impact of increasing awareness, education, and protective legislation on societal attitudes. In conclusion, while the origin of homosexuality remains a topic of ongoing discussion, it's crucial to recognize the diversity of human sexual orientation. As we continue to evolve, let's strive to create a more inclusive and accepting society that respects all individuals, regardless of their sexual orientation. Remember, the world is diverse and beautiful because of this diversity. Don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening videos and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section.